This is a 2019 Chevy Colorado, four-wheel drive. It's got the satin steel metallic paint. Has just under 7,000 miles on it, so very, very low miles. It is an LT trim. Want to see the pinstriping here down the side. Got the gray cloth seats. It's a non-smoker. These seats do fold up. You have a 12-volt port, 2 USB, a little storage there. It does have a bed mat in it with the little Chevy bow tie on the side. Got the tow package. It's a V6. As far as the body on it, everything looks really, really good. The only thing I'm noticing is just this back left fender or bed here has some dings in it, and you can see the cars. See them kind of ripple just a little bit. Looks like they got a couple door dings right here, here, and here. A couple right there, just in this corner, so maybe wherever it was parked, they got it with the door a couple times there. Got your Goodyear tires. I did not notice anything else around the vehicle as far as like dents and dings and stuff goes. Front bumper looks good. The hood looks really good. Not noticing anything on it. Looks really clean. It's just that back left fender there. Power windows, locks and side mirrors. Power adjustable driver seat. You can see you have your automatic headlights as well as your four-wheel drive knob. 6,224 miles. Bluetooth, cruise control, got Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, backup camera, single zone climate control system, traction control, cab light, trailer, 2 USB auxiliary and a 12-volt port. Some good storage in there. Got your OnStar there on your mirror and your map lights. This is remote keyless entry with built-in remote start.